In this video, we are going to talk about what is motivation and things that are related to motivation. First of all, we need to understand what is motivation. So, motivation, if in a very basic terms I make you understand, it is an interaction between a person and a situation. Now, situation could be critical, situation could be upsetting, can be happy. It depends that how a person interprets that situation. The interpretation of the situation can be done by the three basic things by a person. The intensity, how hard a person is trying to figure out what's going on in a situation. For example, if you are very dedicated while doing an exam that you want to secure 4 GPA for instance, so you are going to have a high intensity of solving the question paper as compared to a person who is not having any aim in his mind. He is going to use less intensity and then figure out what's going on in a situation. So, intensity means that how hard you work in a situation and try to figure out the meaning behind it. Now, the second thing that we have is direction. Lots of time it happens that a person gives full of his energy and effort, but his direction is not on point. He is not in the right direction and making continuous effort, and results remain the same. Then you start feeling demotivated. For instance, if you are weak in a course of accounting and you are continuously struggling with a course of philosophy and giving 5 hours a day to the philosophy course, and you are thinking that why your GPA is not going ahead, means it's not getting improved, it means that your direction of giving motivation, of giving an effort was wrong. So, direction counts a lot. And then we are having persistence. Persistence means how consistent you are towards a goal that you want to achieve. People give up. They give a lot of energy in the starting of a goal. They feel very energetic, very enthusiastic, but by the passage of time they start losing their energy because they are not persistent with their goal. So, it is necessary that when you are trying to achieve a goal, you need to be quite persistent, you need to be consistent, because things take time. It requires a lot of energy. Things are time consuming obviously, and you need to be calm, you need to be perseverant and consistent in your goal and stay motivated. Thank you.